Imagine waking up 1 year from now with an extra $24,000 to $36,000 in your bank account, just by making tiny, almost unnoticeable changes to your daily routine. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In fact, most people lose thousands of dollars every year without realizing it, simply because of small, costly habits. But today, we're flipping the script. We're diving into 11 small, easy-to-adopt habits that will save you the most amount of money without feeling like you're sacrificing your lifestyle. And the best part? These changes don't require extreme budgeting, living off rice and beans, or cutting out all your favorite things. They're simple, practical, and highly effective. Let's get started. Number 1. Automate your savings. First up, set it and forget it. Automate your savings. The best way to save money is to never see it in the first place. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every time you get paid. Even if it's just $10, $20, or $50 per paycheck, it adds up fast. Over time, you won't even miss that money, but your future self will thank you. Think about it. If you save just $25 per week, that's $1,300 in a year. And if you invest that money with a modest interest rate, it'll compound and grow even further. Small amounts make a big impact when done consistently. The key is to make savings a priority without having to think about it. Set it up once and let it work for you. Number 2. Meal planning and grocery lists. Ever walked into a grocery store for just a few items and walked out with a cart full of things you didn't need? That's why meal planning is a game changer. Before heading to the store, make a plan for what you'll eat that week and stick to a grocery list. Impulse buys and last-minute takeout orders drain your wallet faster than you realize. By planning ahead, you not only save money but also reduce food waste. To take it a step further, try meal prepping in batches. Cooking in bulk helps you save time and energy, and it prevents those nights where you're too tired to cook and end up ordering expensive takeout. Additionally, look for deals, coupons, and store discounts on the items you already buy. Over time, these small adjustments could save you thousands per year. Number 3. Use cash instead of cards. Digital transactions make it easy to overspend because you don't feel the money leaving your hands. Try the cash envelope system. Withdraw a set amount of cash for the week and use that for your discretionary spending. When the cash is gone, you stop spending. Simple, effective, and eye-opening. Studies show that people who use credit cards tend to spend up to 20% more than those who use cash. Why? Because swiping a card feels painless, whereas handing over physical cash triggers a psychological sense of loss. Try this for your daily expenses, and you'll likely find yourself being much more mindful of your spending. Number 4. Utilize reward and cashback programs. If you're spending money anyway, why not get some of it back? Many credit cards, apps, and online platforms offer cashback, points, or discounts on everyday purchases. Whether it's groceries, gas, or online shopping, make sure you're maximizing rewards. But remember, don't buy things just to earn rewards. Buy only what you need. Also consider stacking rewards. For example, you can use a cashback credit card to pay for groceries, then use a rebate app to scan your receipt and earn extra money back. Double dipping on rewards like this can add up to hundreds of extra dollars a year without much effort. Number 5. Cancel unused subscriptions. How many subscriptions are silently draining your bank account every month? That streaming service you haven't used in months? That gym membership you keep meaning to use? Audit your subscriptions and cancel anything you don't actively use. Those small monthly fees add up to hundreds of dollars a year. A great way to track these expenses is by using an expense tracking app. Many apps can automatically scan your accounts for recurring charges and help you identify subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Just cutting out a couple of unnecessary subscriptions could free up money for things that truly matter to you.